Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use Adobe fonts on your website. Let's get started. First, you need to have an active Adobe Creative Cloud subscription because Adobe Fonts is included with Creative Cloud. Once you have that, go to the Adobe Fonts website and sign in using your Adobe account. After signing in, browse or search for the font you want to use on your website. When you find a font you like, click on it and choose the option called Add to Web Project. If you haven't created a web project yet, Adobe will ask you to create one. Give the project a name and then add the domain of your website. For example, you can enter your domain.com. Next, choose the font weights and styles you want to include, such as regular, bold, or italic. After selecting the styles you need, click Save. Once the project is saved, Adobe will generate a web project and provide you with a code snippet. Copy this code because you'll need to add it to your website. Now open your website's HTML file and paste the Adobe Fonts code inside the head section, just above the closing head tag. After pasting the code, save the file. Next, you need to apply the font using CSS. Open your website's CSS file and use the font family name provided by Adobe. For example, if Adobe gives you a font family like Proxima Nova, you would write Font Family, Proxima Nova Sans Serif. You can apply the CSS rule to different elements such as the body text, headings like H1 or H2, or any specific class in your design. Once you add the CSS, save your changes and refresh your website. The font should now load directly from Adobe's servers. One important thing to remember is that Adobe fonts cannot be downloaded as TTF files and uploaded manually to your website. Adobe requires you to use the web project system and embed code to load the fonts properly. Also make sure that the domain of your website matches the one you added in your Adobe web project settings, otherwise the fonts will not load correctly. And that's how you use Adobe fonts on your website in the correct and legal way. Thanks for watching.